Let's have a look at this mystery package. But before I show you the faceplate, let me clean the power cable because this unit is about 30 years old, so I need to get rid of all the gunk first. Now we move on to the top cover, that needs to be cleaned as well. And I only use the glasses cleaner that I always use to clean my glasses. And I wipe it off with Bounty paper towel. So here it is, a Goldstar compact disc player. The faceplate is still in a very mint condition, and just in case you don't know, Goldstar was the name of LG prior to the change to what's popular today as LG. So the company name was called Goldstar, and then in around 92 was changed into Lucky Goldstar, which then changed to LG. But later on, LG no longer stands for Lucky Goldstar, but Life's Good instead. As you can see from the manufacturing date sticker, that this player was manufactured in May of 1990. So it is 33 years old. So here's the remote control. It does not feel cheap at all. It has all the buttons required to enjoy CD listening. Now it's time to take out the heavy machinery to open up this case. As you can see here, this is where the power input, and that's the fuse for it. That's the transformer. And this is a Sony board. There's nothing LG about this. And that's the display and button board. And a Sony drive mechanism. I wonder how Goldstar can sell this for cheaper than a Sony piece. And just look at it. It's Sony chip all over. Sony, another Sony, another Sony. I mean, it's a Sony board. There's nothing wrong with it. It's great, actually. What's weird is that this player can play all CDR that I put in, but on some new CDs, I'm referring to factory pressed CDs, some of them simply can't be read by this player. Although these unplayable discs can be played everywhere else without any problem. And as far as sound quality goes, it plays CD, it makes sound. I mean, it's nothing great, but it's not offensive either. So yeah, it's going to be used as my day-to-day CD player. There's a big chance that this CD player will outlast me. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.